Every time I look at this car, I find more and more bits missing. So we're going to have a look at this. This is clearly just a hole straight into the boot. You know what, I've not even tested to see if this fits, so that's also going to happen today. But yeah, every time I look at this car I find more and more bits missing. I've just noticed that the alignment pieces for the side of the boot aren't there either, which is fantastic. These covers are all missing. I have managed to source them and I'll put them on today. And I don't know if the rear wiper motor actually works. So again, we'll see what we get out of that.
Keep that in mind. Our design is fine to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it.
So I keep finding interesting bits on this car, and the wiring is always, well, nearly always part of it. So I noticed these grommets weren't in, so I thought I'll just push them in. Oh, wait a minute. Another job. Guess what I like on the other side? You guessed it. Brilliant. Having a look at this off the car, I think there should be, where's the camera, a washer jet somewhere buried in here, but it's been painted so badly previously I actually have to dig that out. Soon get this off. Wow. Right. It's good, isn't it? I'm going to give that a clean, and then we'll get new piece back on and get it all installed.
The pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock ticks like a wave. So unfair. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on. Didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch it stew. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. But it meant to be will eventually be enough. The other time I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall.
So I've dismantled it a little bit further. I'm going to put this in. There's a small groove here. So my aim is to put it in and twist it 360 degrees so it actually ends up in the right direction. And hopefully the spindle will just will sit through. And should get it the right way around when I finish the lesson. So I can just see it through the window. I'm just planning. It's a nice little bit of hand soap. It's a gentle soap, so it's not full of salt or anything like I mentioned earlier on. And then obviously when it gets wet it'll just wash off. So there's a groove in here as well. I'll line up with that groove there. Then we'll start to feed it round. Hopefully it'll just come out. Oh, it's just gone in nicely anyway. And I've got a little bit of play in it anyway. There's soap on the inside here to help me later on. Much easier than I thought.